Hey guys, it's your girl London and I am back with another video. And in today's video, as you can see, I have on my cap, I have on my nightgown. It is time to remove the makeup. I had this makeup on all day and I just wanted to show you guys my nightly routine. So yeah, let's get started. First thing I'm going to be using is my Mary Kay makeup remover, and it is a oil-free eye makeup remover. Works on your whole face. I usually use this with these little cotton balls I bought from the dollar store. You want to make sure that you're applying a good amount onto the cotton ball and then start removing the makeup on your face. So I'm going to show you guys that now. I like to saturate my cotton ball, and then I basically, just mush it. I'm just gonna show you guys how much makeup it takes off. And I can see my skin already. And I don't throw this away. No. I go to another one. I saturate it the same way. I'm gonna do this on my brow so you guys can see how easily this takes off the makeup. And voila, my brow is back to normal. And what I do is I just put these two together and I'm gonna use both of these sides, saturate it some more. Goodbye to my other beautiful brow that I had today. And as you can see, my brows are gone. I can even see the makeup like dripping down because it's wet. So I usually use about 4 of these cotton balls to remove my makeup. And you want to make sure you are like all under your eye to remove it. And as you can see, my makeup is off. Now I'm gonna do my last 2 for my eyeshadow. And I'm gonna do the same thing, just saturate my cotton ball. Just a few little squeezes on there. Mush it down, close my eye. This is actually gonna help my eyelash come off as well. Like I said, guys, this is like the best eye and makeup remover that I've used. It's similar to using whites, but I feel like with the whites, my face is very oily. So that's why I like using this. My eyelash is off. My eyelashes is still on. I'm gonna finish wiping the eyeshadow off because it is some eyeshadow left on here, and it's a little glue on here as well. So you want to make sure everything is off before you wash your face. Like, I literally make sure it's nothing on my face. I'm gonna go to the other side. Like I said, this picks up everything, and I've been using this Mary Kay remover for over a year now. My eyelash just like lifted up. So this helps, like I said, lift up your eyelashes so it's easy to come off. It also removes the eyelash glue, which that's why I really love it. It's like doing everything at once, so I don't have to do anything. And you want to just go back in and make sure you have everything off, like double check, triple check, all of this stuff is off of your face before you start to do your face washing or cleanse. And I was like, you know what, let me do this video because I have on my daily makeup and I wanted to make sure, I'm helping you guys out with removing your makeup, what products I use. These are affordable. I will put a link in my description so that you could check these items out. And this makeup remover lasts for a very long time. And I like to get all of my liner off, everything. Don't miss nothing. For me, I always have like that little bit of glue that's like stuck everywhere. Like, why are you moving around? Just stay right there. I'm gonna get you anyways. Okay, so now that I have everything off, I like to use these little sponges by Eco2s, and they are at the dollar store. I have my water here, some warm water. I like to dip it in there, And these work really, really well. And you just want to wet your face. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm gonna go in with the Mary Kay Cleanse. And this is the Botanical Effect. And it's in this green and white bottle. And you just apply to your face a generous amount, okay? And if you're wondering what type of skin I have, I do have sensitive skin. So just FYI, if anybody else has sensitive skin, this product can be used on sensitive skin. I try to stay away from products with a lot of fragrance because that will definitely break me out. And it says on the back, like, put on your neck and stuff like that, but it's like apply to face and neck, but I'm good, sis. Only for the face, no neck. But you know, I think it's for like if you taking a shower and you remove your makeup, then I guess maybe, but So I am going to be using some warm water, and I'm just going to use that to remove this cleanse off my face with the sponge. And this is going to get messy because I am using a bowl. Oh, I guess it didn't get too messy. At least not on me. On the countertop it did, but not me. And I like this because it feels like a, I don't know, it's like a sponge, but it's like an eraser type sponge though. Like, I feel like it's like really wiping away everything. Like I said, you want to get everything off your face. So the next thing I like to do is use my lip scrub, and I actually made this lip scrub myself, and this is just using brown sugar. If you want the recipe, I can definitely link it down below, but it is stuff that you have at home that you can use. You want to just take that and put it over your lips. Try not to eat it, okay? So this is just removing all of the lipstick and lip liner. It's just nourishing your lips, making them smooth, removing any dead skin. Going in with some fresh warm water, I'm going to remove that now. My lips feel so soft and juicy, okay? Next thing I'm using is this Hyaluronic acid by The Ordinary, and I had to search high and low for this product because it was sold out at Ulta and I had to order it online. So I would highly suggest using this product if you have any dark spots or anything like that, because it has been lightening up this scar and also the scars on my forehead because I have a problem with popping pimples. I don't know why. I don't even like to pop pimples. It just annoys me because they come in the most craziest places on my face. So I had to use this product in order to lighten my skin, and it has been doing such a good job because this was really, really dark, and now the layers are like trying to break away from, you know, the little damaged skin. But I'm gonna continue to use it because all I heard was great reviews online, and I've seen so many. I think they had like maybe like over maybe 2,000 reviews on this product saying that it was, you know, the best, and it was removing dark spots under people's eyes and pimple spots. I even seen so many people on YouTube reviewing it, so I wanted to give it a try. So with this, you have to put it on first before you apply any of your other products. So this is what I'm using right now. And you only need a drop of this. I love the Frost packaging. I actually ordered a few more items from them, and everything came in this Frost packaging, which I love. I think it's so classy. So yeah, I can see the product very well. I know they're not trying to jip me. Came with this little tube, and it's very gooey actually. It's kind of weird that it's so gooey, but that's okay. It's been working for me. And I like to put, you know, a few on my dark spots. I don't have many dark spots that I personally created this year on my own. Just those, what, 1, 2, 3. And I like to let that dry for a second. Once it dries, then I'm gonna put on my night cream and stuff like that. But while it's drying, I'm gonna go ahead and hydrate my lips since, you know, I just script them. That was just regular chapstick. Then I go in with my Argan Oil because I like my lips to be very juicy and bubblicious type. Because you know, when you sleep, you want your lips to be just hydrated. So you can actually tap this product to see when it's ready to go and it's not ready yet. And this is optional. I bought this from TJ Maxx, and this is just 100% rose water. I know that a lot of people like to use this on their face as a skin toner, a face mist, a facial cleanser, makeup remover, even though I don't say to use it as makeup, but I like to use it as a facial mist. So you guys can check that out at TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx have all the little knickknacks. I'm just trying to tell you. When you in line, this where you be seeing all this stuff at TJ Maxx in Burlington. So you know, now my little stuff done dried up. I'm gonna go ahead and put my hydrating oil. I also got this from TJ Maxx, and it's a coconut rose hydrating facial oil. And I'm just gonna put a few drops of that mixed in with my vitamin E oil that I also got from TJ Maxx. I'm just gonna mix a little bit of that in my hand, and I'm not using a lot, guys. Literally 2 drops. Going in with the coconut rose, also 2 drops. And I just put a little bit. It smells so good. This is how I know it's time for bed. When I put this on, it's time for bed because it smells amazing. And I feel like this is very hydrating. Your skin will thank you greatly, be greatly appreciated. I am going to now spray a little bit of the rose water on my face. Make sure I have my little fan. Okay guys, so thanks for watching my nightly routine on how I remove my makeup after a long day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and for more content like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel. As always, treasure your family, treasure your time, and most importantly, treasure yourself. Peace.